Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360. Let's try out to make this part. The dimensions are given. So let's start the part. Click on sketch, choose the horizontal plane, add a rectangle, go for sketch, dimension, add dimensions of 96 by 64, and hit OK. Extrusion becomes 16, and hit OK. Next we will add this flange of thickness 16 and extrusion 48. Choose this face, sketch on it, go for corner rectangle, go for dimension. This becomes 16. Finish the sketch. Select the region and go for press pull. Define the height. Next define this radius of 32. Go for fillet. Choose this edge and define 32. I will hit OK. Next this region, the width is 40 and the length becomes 64 minus 22. Choose this face, go for sketch, draw a corner rectangle like this, go for dimensions. This becomes 40 and from here till here this becomes 22. I will hit OK. Extrusion becomes 28 and hit OK. Add the circular cutout. For that, choose this face, sketch on it, add a center rectangle like this, define the diameter 24, and hit OK. Go for extrude, select the region and cut this. See? Next we will add this rib. For that I will choose this face and I will sketch on it. Go for line, start from here, somewhere here, and like this, and finally close the sketch. Finish the sketch. I will go for extrude, choose this region and define the thickness, which becomes 12, and define minus 12 and hit OK. See? Next only this slot remaining. For that I will select this face and I will sketch on it, go for rectangle something like this, add a circle of somehow like this, clear the unwanted portion, and now create dimension, and the dimensions becomes, this one becomes 20, and you will finish the sketch. Go for extrude, select the region, make sure to create a cut and just make sure to drag it downward, or you can select all and hit OK. Home this to reorient, go for appearance, choose bodies, and this time I will go for mirror and drag this color. Close it for now. See, you have done with the object. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.